Hi everyone, Julie here. This is how you set up an additional room or rooms for use with Engageli. Go to your dashboard, unisq.engageli, etc., and you will see this, create a classroom. Click on it, put the room that you want, or the name of the room, and click continue. And that's it. It's as simple as that. My new room. It's already made. Now, don't make it for a course as such, because you need to be doing that through StudyDesk and setting up Engageli through StudyDesk, and we have another video to show you how to do that. But you may want a room for research group or a professional organisation that you meet with people within and beyond UniSQ, whatever your reason is. I suggest now that you can use the learner guest link to share with others, or you can add domains, all right? Because it's not linked with StudyDesk, you've got to make sure people can get into it. So you might want to add that. You might want to add allow all, so that you're just really confident that people can get into this room. Allow all domains, and that's fine as well. Don't forget, you cannot alter domains when it's a StudyDesk linked room. This is different, all right? I would also add myself to the roster. Go to roster and add yourself as the instructor, all right? And anyone else, you've got other people who you know are going to be using the room, add them as well. So just, cover all bases, but otherwise it's as simple as that. You can copy the link and send it out, etc.